something right now. And I'm gonna text Mark right now to get the freak up. Cause I'm leaving his ass. I'm too tired for this. So, to another video. Today we're going fishing with little stupid. Today we're going to Very Rare Blue. We're gonna change.
Are you sure?
Cause
Are you sure?
yeah. All right, there we go. We changed. Look how cute he is.
Are you sure?
Oh my God, she's beautiful. We're gonna start heading our way to pick him up. So he's actually up. I'm actually not scared anymore. Let's just hopefully he makes it in time. Oh, I'm scared. Ordering McDonald's.
What are you working on, little bird?
Ain't nobody talking to him, Mikey.
Bro, I'm tired, bro. Shut the fuck up.
Stupid. GTA 6.
Morning, ladies. Bro, how was the night? I'm gonna put a clip up right here of this on my shoulder.
Here, fishing man. Look at us fishing man.
What did you just say?
Fishing man is a certified fisherman. You can see. Look, this is Very Rare Blue. This is Very Rare Blue. Put the clip.
Certified short.
Put a clip of him kissing my on my shoulder. This is Mike Tyson, the guy who lost it.
No, and it was a grab.
Anime time.
私に教わったらきっとすぐ上手くなっちゃいますよ。会長、人に教えをこうときはどんなタイプ
I'm gonna put anime girl talking over this guy. Anyways, this is Bar124. Go subscribe to this guy. Go subscribe to this guy. Today we're fishing. That's it.
Rat face.
Big one. Here, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy.
Man, I'm dead. Stand ready for my arrival, worm.
Who's talking to you? Who's talking to you? Guys, look at this view. You got Verdance over there. Verdance. I saw a rat over there on Skibidi toilet.
What the hell?
Boy, if you don't get.
I'm afraid to go on these rocks now. Shut up, stupid.
No, come on. It's fun. Which cigarettes? They're like all over through here, bro. They could be anywhere. Oh no. Mark!
Like literally that's like.
Mark, I'm scared.
Oh no, Nathan from the Hear Me Out.
Alright! Where's Nathan going?
Stand ready for my arrival, midget. Oh my goodness, bro.
Yeah, you Bronx rat. Shut up, bro. You're so gay.
You were given hot.
ですかね。じゃあまずは問題点を洗い出してみましょう。
You're not my type.
They said a short midget. They said a short midget from Bill Show.
You said it's special in this place. Oh, V5 phone. We got a cross-eyed up in this bag. Oh, I thought it was a pocket. Ooh. With the rats chew on. Look at those are rat teeth marks right there. Oh, those are your teeth marks. I don't know why you're talking. So today's goal for me
To kiss a rat.
to kiss a fish. He's right here. Wait.
Yeah, bubblegum lips like fucking Michael.
Maybe. He's probably gonna like it. Huh? See that fish over there? I'm gonna teach you how to catch one. Huh?
Man, I'm dead.
Yeah. Hey, Mikey. You look good today. Welcome to another video. How to cook with Nathan. We got a dead fish. Look at that. Should we kiss it?
No.
Guys.
I mean, if you want to get fucking AIDS, then yeah. HIV? No. 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 Bro. Hey.
You want me to? Oh, you got fucking bones.
Oh, goddamn, he's a gusher.
Should I show us on YouTube? You know that sound where it like crushes? Hear it.
This is like a more freaking combat.
That's all for Nathan How to Cook. Thank you guys for watching. Back to the fishing vlog. Oh my god. We just had a bad experience today. So here's the story. So me and Mikey here went to go to a little store to see if they have shorts because we want to swim and we're bored.
H&M specifically.
H&M, yes. So we went to other stores to see if to find shorts, but no, there were no shorts, nothing. So we decided to say, hey, we see Five Below, so let's try to check out Five Below. We went walking all the way over here to pay. How much you pay for yours?
Like 39, but it's about to be 59.
59. My mom is a W and his mom is a W for saying that money. If you're watching, thank you guys so much. We appreciate it. Okay, so here's the plan. Me and Mikey and Mark are going to go swim in the ocean. I'm actually gonna be happy. Not gonna lie. So we're gonna meet Mark at the changing booth and we're gonna go swim like good little boys we are. We actually, yeah, right. Yeah. Go, bitch! Look at those slow ass. What the fuck? Hey, take a look at this drunk addict. Right here. Hey, drunkie. Hey, drunkie. He slapped him hard. Hey guys, Stinky V here. Sorry for the lack of uploads. I was supposed to post this on spring break, but of course, animation takes forever. I'm sorry. This won't happen again. Anyway, shout out to these guys. They made this video great. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I have something special for 200.
Stand ready for my arrival, worm.